friends, welcome. Just this morning, I was Coach Robbie. Some of you know me as Teacher Robbie. But right now, Chef Robbie. Probably wondering what we're gonna make. Well, I'll let you know, but first thing we always do, before we start, wash our hands. Okay? Let's go wash our hands. Okay, since I'm such an awesome teacher, I'm gonna prep these ingredients for you. Okay, friends, let's get your apron on and let's get to cooking. Let's have fun and eat some good food. Let's go.